Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Schedule 1 mods. Firstly, go to the official Melon Loader page and download the Windows version. Run the installer and let it auto-detect your games. If Schedule 1 doesn't show automatically, you can select it manually. Now find your mod, for example Minimap for Nexus mods. Always choose manual download and extract the mod, usually a DLL file, into the mods folder you created earlier. If a mod comes with extra files, follow that mod's specific install instructions. Now all you have to do is start the game as you normally would. If installed correctly, the mod, like Minimap, should be active in-game. No extra setup usually needed unless the mod specifically says otherwise. And a pro tip, you can also find mod managers for easier control or multiple mods available on Nexus Mods too. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.